Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. By using this channel, I am creating so many educational videos based on the subject maths. And along with the educational videos, I am creating some puzzles and fast calculation maths tips. If you follow those, you are going to become the topper of your class. So please share, like, subscribe my channel. And next week I want to keep an interview of an IIT exam holder, the topper of the IIT exam. So I just need your suggestions. Please keep your suggestions in the comment section. Hi students, welcome to Maths class. So in the previous class we just completed our second chapter. So we are moving on to the third chapter, that is playing with the numbers. So we'll see what is this playing with the numbers will be and how they are going to play with the numbers. So this is the chapter we are going to start, the third chapter. So what they're given here, we'll see. Ramesh has 6 marbles with him. He wants to arrange them in rows in such a way that each row has same number of marbles. He arranges them in the following way and matches the total number of marbles. See, he has 6 marbles. He wants to arrange in such a way that each row has same number of marbles. So in different ways he tries to arrange. So first he arranged all 6 once, and then he arranged 3 and then he arranged in this way 2 columns. Here he just selected 2 columns and 3 rows, and here he selected 3 rows and 2 columns. Sorry, 3 columns and 2 rows. And here he just selected all the marbles in one column, 1 row and 6 columns. So he arranged 6 in different ways, that is 1 row, 6 columns, 2 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows, 2 columns, and 6 rows, 1 column. From this, what he wants, 2 multiplied by 3, it can be said as 2 and 3 exactly divide 6. So 2 and 3 are exact divisors of 6. From the other product, 6, 1 and 6, the exact divisors of 6 are found to be 1 and 6. So thus 1, 2, 3 and 6 are exact divisors of 6. They are called factors of 6. So what is this called? Factors. What we are trying to find finally? Factors. Now he is asking us to find out the factors for 18. Now we will try the factors of 18 in our notebook. We'll go ahead, new page. Keep the heading chapter 3, playing with numbers, and the heading is factors. So I'll just increase the size for you. Now we will try to find the factors for 18. It is very simple. We will just count one number by one number. So 1 table you will get 18, and 2 table when you will get 18, 2 9s are 18. 3 table when you will get 3 6s are 18. In 4 table do you get 18? No, so don't write 4. 5 table you will get 18? No, don't write 5. 6 table you will get 18? Yes. Here we already got 6, so that is the reason we can say that our factors are completed. Now how to write? First you write from up to down. 1, 2, 3. Now you write from down to up. 6, 9, 18. If you observe properly, you will get 1 for all the numbers, and 18, whatever the factors you are finding, it should be the highest factor. Remember this. 1 is a factor for all the numbers, because in one table you will get all the numbers, and whereas whatever the number they are asking, that is going to become the highest factor, otherwise you did wrong. Okay, this is about your factors of 18. Now what he is asking us, we will see. Factors and multiples. Many ways to find those numbers which exactly divide 4. She divides 4 by numbers less than 4 in this way. So she started doing dividing 4 with less than 4, that is starting with 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what we will say, when you will get the factor If it is going to divide the number exactly, means when you will get reminder 0, then only you will say that is called a exact divisor of 4. Such numbers we are going to call the factors. So that is the reason the definition of factor is a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Okay. So he's just asking us to play a game over here to find the factors of this. So he's asking you to just take 50 cards and arrange all the 50 cards in such a way that 7, 7, 7. And to play this we need 2 persons. How to play? He's giving the steps. We'll see what are the steps he given here. Decide who plays first, either A or B. Okay, we'll think A is going to play first. He picks a card from the table and keeps it with him. Suppose the card number 28 on it. Now next player is going to take the card. So what he has to say, all those cards having which are factors of the numbers on A's card, that is 28, and puts them in a pile near him. Okay. So player B then picks up a card from the table and keeps it with him. From the cards that are left, A picks up all those cards whose numbers are factors of the number on B's card. A puts them on the previous card that he collected. The game continues like this until all the cards are used up. A will add up the numbers on the cards that has collected, and B too will do the same thing with his cards. The player with a greater sum will be the winner. The game can be made more interesting by increasing the number of cards. Play this game with your friend. Can you find some way to win this game? When we write a number 20 as 4 into 5, say 4 and 5 are factors of 20. We also say that 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. We can say that a number is a multiple of each of its factors. Okay, what the game he is saying is, for example, here we have cards like this, and the first person took this card. So the second person should not, he has to collect all the factors of this, means 7 he has to collect, 4 he has to collect, 2 he has to collect, 14 he has to collect. Like that he has to collect all the factors. And for example, if the person B selected 25, so this A has to collect 1, 5, like this he has to collect all the factors, and like that they are go on, it has to go on till all the cards on the board will be, on the table should be completed. And after completion of that, A is having some cards and B is having some set of cards. Now what A and B has to do, they have to add up all the numbers whatever they have. How many cards they selected, they have to add. For example, 28 he selected, and then 34, and then 42. So he has to add 28 plus 34 plus 42 plus 6 plus 5. Like that he has to add up all the cards. And who is having the biggest number, that person is going to be the winner. No, you can continue this game, you can play this game with more number of players and at the same time with more number of cards. It is going to be very interesting. So what he is saying here is, for example, we are saying 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Sorry, 20, 4 and 5. Factors 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. In other words, we can say that 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Means 20 will come in 4 table and 20 will come in 5 table. That's what he is saying over here. Okay. And what he said, we can say that a number is a multiple of each of its factors. So here is a question of try this. Find the possible factors of 45, 30 and 36. Okay, we'll just try to find the factors of this. What are the factors we have to find? 45, 30, 36. Okay. So we'll just try to find the factors of 45. We'll start with 1 table, 2 table it will not come, 3 table, 15 3s are 45, 4 table will not come, 5 9s are 45, 6 table will not come, 7, no you are not getting, 8 you will not get, and 9 is already there to us. So first we will write the factors 1, 3, 5, and now from down to up 9, 15, 45. See, this is the highest factor we got, means we written correctly. Now in the same way we will write the factors for 36. 1 36 are 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 6 6 are 36. When you got the same number repeated, you can, by this also we can easily say that the factors are completed. So first we'll write from down to up to down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and no need to write the same number again. 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay, and what is the one more factor he asked us to find? 30 also. We'll find even factors of 30 also. 1 30s are 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 4 table you will not get, so 5 6 are 30. Automatically the beside numbers, alternate numbers are coming here, so we can say that the factors are completed. 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. These are the factors. Okay, I hope you all understand my class. Please wash your hands thoroughly as often as possible. Cover your face while going outside. Thank you, Corona warriors who are helping for the Corona patients. Thank you for watching.